video, I'm going to share with you how you can calculate the area of the segment. And I have a simple question that I'm going to use, and this question says calculate the area of segment AXB. And in this circle, I can identify some parts. The angle that is spanning this sector, this segment, it's 120 degrees, and the breadth of this triangle is 6, and the hypotenuse of this triangle is 7. So to calculate the area of the segment, is given by the formula area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to calculate the area of the segment, the area of the sector and the area of the triangle separate. So to calculate the area of the sector, this is given by the formula theta over 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. The angle is 120 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by radius is 7. And the reason why I've decided to use pi as 3.142, I've just decided that, but if you want, you can use 22 over 7. If you have been given 22 over 7, you need to use 20 over 7, and if you have been given 3.142, you need to use 3.142. So this will be equal to 51.319 this will be equal to 51.3193333. So this will be the area of the sector. The next thing, I need to calculate the area of the triangle. So to calculate the area of the triangle, you use the formula area is equals to half BH. And if I look at this triangle, I've only been given the breadth and the hypotenuse, have not been given the height. So I can just do this. I can cut this triangle on the middle. So if I cut this triangle on the middle, the total length from A to B is 12 centimeters. Then dividing 12 by 2, that will be 6. That will be 6. And this is going to mean that the breadth of this triangle will be 6 centimeters. So here there will be a 6. This side there will be a 6, and this side there will be 6 centimeters. And altogether, that will form 12 centimeters. So I need to calculate the length of the height. Calculating the length of the height, you can say height squared is equals to hypotenuse squared minus base squared. So this is the formula that you can use concerning Pythagoras theorem. Height squared is equals to hypotenuse squared, that's 7 squared, minus base squared, that's 6 squared. Height squared is equals to, this is 49 minus 36. Height squared is equals to 49 minus 36, that's 13. the square root of h squared is h, and the square root of 13 is 3.6. So now I can calculate the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is given by the formula half BH. Area is equals to half base. I'm going to get 12 centimeters. I'm not going to get 6 centimeters, because this segment is suspended by the area AXB. So multiplied by 12 multiplied by the height is 3.6. Area will be, if I punch these numbers on the calculator, I'll get 21.6 square centimeters. Since I've calculated the area of the segment and the area of the triangle, now I can calculate the area of segment AXB. So calculating the area of segment AXB, at first I said use the formula area of the segment is equals to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So the area of the sector that I had to find at first was 51.3193333. So minus the area of the triangle that I had to find was 21.6. So the area of segment AXB will be 29.72 squared centimeters. This will be the answer if you round off to 2 decimal places.